Hello and good morning, grade 8 with you, Mr. Samir Awad, and today we are going to start our first part of Chapter 2, Lesson 3, Scientists and Society. And this comment is talking about how does society affect the work of scientists. First of all, how does society affect the work of scientists? And when we talk about this part, we'll get that science discoveries have helped to bring cars, computer, phone, and other products to society. And today, scientists are working on tomorrow discoveries. The work that scientists do changes the society. On the other side, we have something that's called controversy. In turn, society influences the work of scientists, but sometimes scientific work conflicts with the beliefs of the society and its leaders, or one of them, will start to get a controversy. And when this happens, the scientists' work can cause a controversy or public disagreement between groups of people in this society. And that's like, I agree and I disagree, and that's the negotiation will start through that. Scientific controversies are not uncommon, they are common. By defending their work, scientists have helped people better understand the world, and that's costed them a lot to get the people to understand. And that's what you get by the end is you are on the right way. Green light start for science. One of the most common scientists we can talk about him as one of the person who get to a revolution of science was Albert Einstein. Yeah, this crazy madman, perfect maniac neuroscientist. He was born in 1879 in Germany, and Albert Einstein is recognizing the laboratory most and in the whole history as the most brilliant scientists that get to the world. Here are two Einstein quotations for you guys in order to know how was this man a wise man. So he said, no amount of experimentation can ever prove me right. A single experiment can prove me wrong. That means that you have to search for what is wrong, and after that, get to prove what you are right about. And the second one is intellectual growth, yeah, should commence at birth and cease only at death. You have to think and grow mentally up till you die. And that's, a lot of wisdom. His equation about the relativity that get, a new revolution to science was about the energy equal the mass times the speed of the light square that turns the mass into energy and the energy into mass again. And the people start to talk about how they can travel through the time. So that is based one, and E equal mc square here means that E stands for energy, M stands for mass, and C stands for the speed of light. This equation describes the relationship between the mass and energy. Secondary will be Galileo Galilei, or Galileo Galilei, who's the first one to invent the telescope. Brilliant man. Yeah, for many years, Galileo Galilei observed the night and sky from his telescope. And in 1610, he published his discoveries supporting a heliocentric model, or a model of a universe in which Earth moves around the sun. The people believe was about that the sun was moving around the earth, but his heliocentric model shown at right conflict with the beliefs of the society leaders and the people at this time. That's it. The sun is in the middle and all of the planets are around it. In 1616, yeah, in the book, all the books of Mr. Galileo supported this model were banned. And in 1632, Galileo published another book that supported this model. But as a result for that, he was tried, found guilty, and lived the rest of his life under house arrest. In time, though, Galileo's work led to an acceptance of science as a way of explaining the natural world. And that's the cost he paid for that. And that's, Galileo home arresting and the prisoner here is on the door. So next time, guys, we'll get part 2 together with you, Mr. Samir Awad. I hope you understand everything about this part. And if you have any question, you can ask me through the interactive sessions and get back to your peers to realize. Hope you did get well, guys. Be safe at home. Bye-bye.